Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Sylvian Kalimah with NPM 1988203017.
Hello guys, I am Gusnul Katimah with NPM 1988203012.
Hello guys, I'm Henika Riza Apriliani with NPM 1988203001.
We from English Department, 3rd semester.
In this presentation, we will reading, presenting, and interpreting
About line chart, P chart, bar chart, and table.
In describing line graph, you have to consider about introduce the graph, give an overview, and give the detail. Let's check the example.
This line graph, the consumption trend in 3 different kinds of fast food, fish and chips, hamburgers, and pizza. From the graph in 1970, the amount of fish and chips consumption was the highest, approximately 300 grams, while the amount of hamburgers consumption and pizza consumption each was below 100 grams. Nevertheless, from 1997 until 1990, the trend in consumption of fish and chips obviously decreased. It reduced to about 230 grams in 1990, while those of hamburgers and pizza significantly rose to over 500 grams and over 200 grams respectively in 1990.
Pie chart. In describing pie chart, you have to consider about introduction, general overview, specific feature. Let's check to the example.
How different industry sector contributed to the economic of Turkey percentage-wise in the years 2000 and 2016. Overall, at the beginning of the period, construction contributed the least to the economic of Turkey, and agriculture was most significant economic sector. In comparison, at the end of the period, healthcare and education became the largest economic segment, and the lowest contribution was made by financial, business, and other services. Function sector accounted for 3% of Turkey's economic in 2000 and experienced a more than 3-4 increase to 110 in 2016. Economic income from trip, utilities, and transportation was 14% in 2000 and experienced a slight growth of 2% in 2016. At the beginning of the period, manufacturing and finance business and other services made up 8% and 5% of Turkey's economy, respectively, and this figure rose to 12% and 8% in 2016. Agriculture, which contributes almost a quarter of the Turkish economic in 2012 to 14% in 2016. In 2000, economic output from government at leisure and hospitality sector for 12% and 17% respectively, and both decreased by 3% after 16 years period. In contrast, contribution from healthcare education sector remains contained in 4 years at 17%.
In describing bar chart, you have to consider about introduction and overview conclusion. Let's check to the example.
This bar chart shows the range of visitor arrival to Bali from January until April in 2019. The vertical axis describes the number of visitor arrival. The horizontal axis shows the range from January until April. From January to February, the visitor arrival fell from 400 to 200 people. From February to March, the visitor arrival increased from 200 to 600 people. In April, there was a significant decline from 600 to 300 people. There was additional growth in March, and the number of visitor arrival increased to reach a peak at 600 people.
The last is table. In describing table, you have considered about introduction, overview, the first main feature, and second main feature. Let's check to the example. The table comprises change in worldwide population distribution between the CK regions from 1950 to 2000 with prediction for the year 2050. The only region where the percentage contribution is expected to increase by 2050 is Africa, while Europe is expected to have the greatest drop in proportion over the same time span. The sole continent showing a fluctuation in percentage contribution over the 100-year period is Asia. From a relatively small percentage contribution of 9% in 1950, the people of Africa are forecast to make up a fifth of the total world population by 2050. This is almost a reversal of the situation for Europe, which stood at 22% in 1950 and is expected to continue its steady decline to reach just 7% in 2050. Another notable trend can be seen in the data for Asia, which is the only region to show an increase in proportion contribution over the first 50 years. The prediction of a decline, albeit small, looking forward to 2050. The remaining regions, North America, Latin America, and Oceania, each make up less than 10% of the total world population and show only minor fluctuation in contribution over the whole time period.